Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Gizmo Joe. Today we'll be looking at the Umidigi A1 Pro. This video is just going to be an unboxing and I will come back with a full review of the unit next week. But anyway, taking a look at the box, it's definitely one of the better ones that I've seen. Now this device is about $100 on gearbest.com. You can also find it on Geek Buying. I bought mine on pre-sale, so I got it for about $99 US. I'll leave a link down in the description, so if you want to take a look for yourself, you can. But anyway, so the box has this cool kind of texture to it. Kind of looks like a vinyl record or something like that. But it's got this slip bit here, so definitely a bit fancier than a lot of the other boxes that I've seen. If we take a look at the back here, look at the CPU is an MediaTek 6739. So most of these budget devices use the MediaTek 6737, but this one's the 39. So this one's a step up, and you're looking at quad core at 1.5 gigahertz. So the Android version of Android that's on here is actually Oreo, so that's 8.1. So that's really cool to see. As for your memory, you got 3 gigabytes of RAM, and you're looking at a 16 gigabytes worth of storage, which is fairly standard. SIM card, you can do 2 nano SIM cards, or you can do 1 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card. You're looking at a 3,150 milliamp hour battery, so not fantastic, but not terrible. And your screen is a 5.5 inch at 720p. Now, the camera on this guy, the rear camera is 13 megapixels and 5 megapixels. So that's that dual camera. I'll have to do a test next week when I do my hands-on review to see if that is a true dual camera setup, because as we know, a lot of phones at this price point, unfortunately, do not utilize that second lens. And you're looking at a selfie shooter that's 5 megapixels. And there's your network bands there. But here in Australia, we shouldn't have any issue. So it says here the package contains the phone itself, power adapter, USB cable, and a phone case, which is cool. All right, so let's open this guy up and have a look inside. Let's see if I can get this guy on. There we go. Okay, so here's the phone. So it looks like it has the case on it already. But I'm going to put this off to the side for a moment and just take a look at what's in the rest of the box. Okay, so look at this. Link to the world. Okay, yes please. And Umidigi. So it's a embossed sort of gold foil on this little envelope. What's in here? Okay, so you get your SIM ejector tool, and it just looks like you have your manual. So I actually don't mind this. It does kind of make it seem a little bit more premium. I do like this packaging. It's a little bit of effort that went involved. Normally when you see phones at this price point, it's just a box with the stuff in it, and that's pretty much it. So in here, again, everything, not this foam bit here keeps everything in place, which again is nice. I mean, a lot of the other stuff that you see, it's just bits of plastic or whatever, and it just kind of, I don't know. It feels a little bit more premium. I know it's just the box, not a big deal, but whatever. Anyway, here's your power brick. You'll need an adapter for that. And like GearBest and Geek Buying, they always send you adapters for whatever country you need, so that's always good. But if we look here, just trying to look, it looks like it's just a standard AC adapter, so it's not a quick charge or anything like that. It's a bit chunky, but I guess it's not that big of a deal. Anyway, so this phone is USB-C, so it does come with a USB-C cable. I like this red cable. I think it looks cool. It's just handy to know like what cable's what, so I like the fact that they come in different colors, but this definitely, again, it makes it feel a little bit more premium, like nothing's stock, you know, like everything's like a little bit more fancy, I guess, even though the price point is only $100. Anyway, let's put this off to the side. Take a look at the phone itself. So as I mentioned before, it has this case on it. So let's take that off. Okay, so the case fits very well. Oh, and actually, it's this cool smoky case. So I got the black model. It comes in a couple different colors, but the black one, I always like black. And the case here is black as well. So I think this is actually really cool because a lot of these neoprene kind of plasticky cases, they get dirty. And especially if you have the clear ones, like you can tell that they're dirty. So this one probably will help to negate that. So I actually quite like the fact that it has this kind of smoky finish. I also think it just looks cool. Anyway, we'll set that off to the side. So here's the phone itself. So this is an 18:9 aspect ratio, so it fits really well in the hand. I actually quite like it. It feels pretty good. Now I have to admit here, it does feel nice because this is a metal frame. So all the way around this phone is metal. I can feel it because it's nice and cool to the touch. and it definitely feels like metal. It doesn't feel plasticky. The back here, well, first of all, let's just take a look here. So you get your dual camera setup, an LED flash, your fingerprint scanner. Obviously, you get your volume rocker here, power button, and it looks like your SIM is up at the top. So yeah, the tray is just up there. So it's an odd place, but it's not that big of a deal. Anyway, let's pull this off. It's always satisfying to take this off. Okay, so this back here is pretty cool. I mean, I think it's plastic. Yeah, it's definitely plastic. I thought maybe it was glass, but look at that. That is cool looking. That is really, really wild. So that definitely looks really, really cool in the hand, although I can imagine that this will be incredibly like a magnet for fingerprints. You can just tell. But I do kind of like that. I think that looks really, really cool. Hopefully you guys can see this in this video because I'm actually having quite a bit of fun with it. But yeah, very reflective. Some people won't like that, but I just think it's kind of a cool little thing. Definitely makes it look more premium. So you got the Umidigi logo down at the bottom, designed by Umi, etc., etc. Nothing on the sides. There's nothing on the left-hand side of the phone. Again, the SIM card tray is up at the top, which is a bit strange. Down here, it looks like you get your USB-C port, and you get your 3.5mm headphone jack, so that's really good. And it looks like your speaker grill here. But like I said, the frame is metal, the back is plastic, but it does look and feel really, really nice. It's not too heavy either. I'd say about 150 grams or so, just guessing. It looks like we got a bit of a screen protector here. Let's pull that off. So up at the top there, you get your selfie shooter, and it looks like a speaker grill. And it looks like, actually, yeah, so it has a screen protector already installed on it, which is really nice. But anyway, this phone is really attractive. I have to admit, I mean, for 99 bucks, it feels a hell of a lot more expensive. I love that back, even though, I mean, I probably get sick of it, but I just think it looks really, really cool, even though it only is plastic. I think Umi has really hit it out of, or sorry, Umidigi has really knocked it out of the park with the design of this phone. I'm really, really impressed. I cannot wait to get it out in the wild and have a test. But anyway, that's going to do it for the Umidigi A1 Pro unboxing. Again, it's a budget phone, but I'm really impressed by the way that it looks, feels, and handles. I think it's definitely feels and looks more expensive than it actually is. So I'm really excited to have a look at what this guy can do. Hopefully we won't be disappointed. Anyway, that's going to do it for this week's video. Like I said, check back next week for the full hands-on review of the Umidigi A1 Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, comment, and I will catch you next week with the hands-on review of the Umidigi A1 Pro. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day. This is Gizmo Joe signing off.